Mic check, mic check, mic check. Yo, chat, give me like, we'll start stream. We'll start stream 8 o'clock. You see me at 7:30, 7:30, you know? I start 8 o'clock. You see me, chat? So give me like, wait, how would I? Yo, we have. Yeah, let me get one of that. No, a black one. Alright, chat, me a forward chat. You see me? Wonder how much second your stream delay there? Probably 10 seconds.
Testing, testing. Tell me about the day the world went blue.
It was terrifying.
I wasn't scared at all. Zombie apocalypse!
It all happened on the day of ContainerCon.
Yo, chat. Mic check, mic check. Yo, hold on, give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me a forward. Alright, chat. Hopefully now hear me loud and clear. We'll jump straight into it right now. Our time. 8:40. I think we have news today, you know. Hold on. We have news today, but we have news 10 a.m. Yeah, we have
Yeah, we have
news 10
news 10
o'clock
o'clock
today,
today,
but
but
think it's a
think it's
red
a red
folder too, you
folder
know.
too, you know.
We have
We
like
have
a
like
red
a red
folder
folder
forward out
forward
today.
out today.
But
But
chat,
chat,
besides from
besides
that
from
though,
that though,
we are gonna
we are
just
gonna
jump
just jump
straight into
straight
it.
into it.
As you
As
can
you
see,
can see,
a goal
a
me a
goal me a
trade.
trade.
This our
This our
first live
first live
stream. This
stream.
our
This our
first live
first live
stream in a
stream in
whole
a
long.
whole long.
We did
We
take a
did take
little
a little
break,
break,
but now
but
we
now
there
we're
back.
there back.
You see me?
You see me?
Take a
Take
little
a
break
little
from the
break from
live
the live
streaming, but we
stream, but
there
we're
back,
there
chat.
back. Chat.
So
So
we'll
we'll
analyze the
analyze
chart.
the
If for
chart.
the
If
first
the
time on
first
the
time
stream,
on the
this how me
stream, this is
usually do. Me
we
usually like
usually like
analyze the
analyze
chart
the chart
and
and
explain like the
explain like the
ideas them what me
ideas them
have,
what we have,
and then we're
and then
gonna
we're
wait for
gonna wait for
entries.
entries.
You see me?
You see me?
So
So
that's it.
that's it.
We just
We just
analyze
analyze,
and then
and then
we wait for
we wait for
entries. If we
entries.
get no
If we get no
entries,
entries,
we
we
execute. If
execute.
not, we
If not,
just
we just
call it.
call it.
You see me?
You
But
see me? But
hopefully I hear me
hopefully I
loud
hear
and
me
clear
loud
though.
and clear though.
Let me
Hold
see
on, let me
some.
see something.
Hold on, chat.
Chat.
Alright, we're
Alright,
good.
we're good.
So as I'm
So
say
as I'm
chat,
say
well
chat,
let's
well
jump
let's jump
straight into
straight
it,
into
bro.
it, bro.
Make sure if you drop a like on the stream if it's your first time. You see me? Hold on, I'm try to fix this. I'm try to fix that camera shot. Alright, we good? Almost good now, chat. As I'm saying, just drop a like. And we'll just jump straight into it, bro. I'm gonna go full screen. I need the pen. Alright, chat. So some first look at the chart from there, bro. Alright, so. Alright, as I'm saying, let's jump straight into it, bro. Some first look from there, but alright. So basically, when we realize chat, we are range. And I first thing we realize, you see me, price in a look range right now. And this hour, this is the 4 hour time frame. I'll drop to daily. Daily can go bullish. Daily can go bullish. Weekly can go same. Monthly can go same. Alright, chat. So well, drop to a 4 hour. As I'm saying, the 4 hour can go, the 4 hour time frame are range chat. So normally, when price are range, what we usually do? Alright. Let me start from scratch. I'm probably have some new viewers, so I explain everything to you from scratch. So first thing we do, when we fall point chart, I identify what type of market cycle we in, like what way market do. So you have 3 different type of market cycle, I think. You have consolidation, manipulation, and continuation. So basically consolidation and when price are range chat like how we are doing right now. Hold on, I'm gonna try to drop on the screen. I want this all the way back. Hold on, chat. Alright, I'm take off the timer. So as I'm saying, as I'm leaving member for draw. Consolidation chat and when price basically a range. You see me? That's what I mean by consolidation. So you see price I go up, down, push up, forward back down again, push back up, forward back down in a range, and then push back up. So this is our price basically right now. This is our price basically right now. So as you can see, we have a level. We have a level right so. We have another level right so. You see me? And this is the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame in a range right now. So as I'm saying, after the range, some people call it consolidation. After consolidation, you usually get a manipulation. Manipulation is something like this. So price push down, close below the range, and then it just fall back up. And we get back a closure above the range. So this right as a chat would be a manipulation. Can you see your price? You see your price push down, break the range, fall down. After close below the range, we just push straight back up into the range. You see me? So that basically fake out. You see me? So price just fake out look a while, and some people call it a manipulation. So after that happen, would I wait for like we print like a structure. Once we print like a fake out chat, I wait for we print structure. After we print structure, I'm sure what I mean by that. So say price push down and fake out and fall back up and close back into the range. Price do something like this. Push down, push up, push down, push up, and push down again. Basically this is what I want to chat. Can you see what the more price push down and forward up, that like structure. You see me? So basically price would have print higher lows. Like look. Right as so, we have a lower right as so, we have a higher lower right as so, higher lower right as so, higher lower right as so, higher lower right as so. You see me? So the more that we get, stronger like the push. You get what I'm saying? So we need structure. So you see if price if fall down, print a fake out and print structure and the way up, this how we wait to see. Or this how we wait before we take entries. Would have got a bomb. Alright.
Bro.
Me not
No,
like how
like
this
how this
just.
just
Alright, think we're
feel
good.
good.
No.
No.
Hold on,
Hold
chat.
on, chat.
But
But
hopefully
hopefully
you
we
get
get
what
what
me
me
I say
have
so
to so
far.
far.
Else
Else
this
this
thing a
thing a
joke
joke
thing,
thing,
bro.
bro.
Hold on,
Hold
chat.
on,
Let me
chat. Let
try
me try
fix
to fix
this.
this.
Alright,
Alright,
see they
see,
were
they were
good
good
now.
now.
So
So,
yeah.
yeah.
So if
So if
price to
price to
print high
print
or
high or
low,
low,
if price to
price to
print
print
beer high
beer
or
high or
lows,
low,
chat. Beer high
beer
or
high or
lows.
low.
And we have
We have
structure and
structure
the
and the
weight
weight
going up.
going up.
More than
More
weight
than
for
weight
your
for your
closure
closure
above the
above the
range.
range.
For
For
example,
example,
you see
you
if
see if
price to
price to
fall up,
fall up,
this
this
thing
thing
give
give
long
a
work,
work,
bro. But
bro. But
I just
I
stop
just stop
watch it.
watch it.
You see
You
if
see if
price to
price to
push up,
push
chat.
up,
You
chat.
see
You
me?
see me?
I'll
Now
fall up,
fall up,
close
close
above the
above the
range.
range.
More to take
More
the
to take the
first
first
closure
closure
above the
above the
range. Who
range.
do
Who
look
do
for
look to
enter upon
enter
the
upon the
first
first
breakout?
breakout?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would I
What
look
would I
for
look
do?
for do?
What would I
What would
look
I
for
look
do?
for do?
Away
A
for
way for
your
your
breakout
breakout
or
or
would I
would
wait
I
for
wait
a
for your
range 2
range to
breakout?
breakout?
So this
So
is
this
what
is what
a
a
range 2
range to
breakout
breakout
is.
is.
So
So
see
the
price a
price
push
of
up.
push up,
I
we
can go
can
back.
go back.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
we
go
can
back.
go back.
So look,
So look,
this is
this
what
is
a
what a
range 2
range to
breakout is,
breakout is,
chat.
chat.
You see
You see
price a
price
push
of
up.
push up.
See if
The
price a
price of
forward up
forward up
and will
and will
reject.
reject.
Hold on,
I'm
I'm put on
put
the
on the
timer.
timer.
I'm
I'm
turn off
turn
the
off the
timer.
timer.
Alright,
Alright,
so
so
look,
look,
if
the
price a
price
push
of
up
push up
and will
and will
reject,
reject
I'll
and
push back
push
up
back up
again.
again.
Remember
When
in a
buying a
chat, we
track,
have
we have
like a
like a
level
level
right there,
right
so
there, so
this a
this a
range
range
1.
one.
So
So
this would
this
have
would
be
have be
like a
like a
breakout. If
breakout. If
price a
price
push
to
up
push up
and
and
breakout, this
breakout,
would
this
have be
would
a
have be a
breakout, but
breakout,
a
but a
breakout
breakout
of
of
range
range
1.
one.
You get
You
what
get
my
what my
chat say?
child say?
And at
And
that
at
time
that
we
time
not
we not
enter, we
enter,
not
we
look
not
for
look for
range 1
range one
breakout.
breakout.
Would I wait
Would
for
I
a
wait for
range
your
2
range to
breakout?
breakout?
So after
So
I
after
push
I
up
push
and
up
close
and
above
close
range
above
1
range
right there,
one,
so
right? So
yeah, that wait
yeah,
for
I wait the
price to
price to
something like
something like
this.
this.
Reject,
Reject,
and
and
after we
after we
reject,
reject,
we
we
push back
push
up
back up
again.
again.
I will
And we
close
close
above
above
range
range
2.
two.
See if we
If
can
we
get a
can get a
closure
close
above
above
range 2.
range two,
Would I look
would
for
I look to
buys
buys
above here,
above
so
your
chat.
chat?
Would I look
Would I
for
look to
buys
buys
above here,
above
so
your
if we
stuff
go
to
up
go
further.
further?
So this
So
would
this
be
would have be
range
range
2,
two,
and
and
this
this
would be
would have be
range
range
1.
one.
You see
You
me?
see me?
So
So
anything
anything
above right,
above right,
so
so
would I look
would I
for
look to
buys,
buys.
chat.
Chat.
Um,
Um,
yeah,
yeah,
bro.
bro.
So that's
So
a
that's a
basically
basically
idea.
idea.
So
So
buys
buys
above
above
range
range
2,
two,
we
we
continue up.
continue up.
And
And
same
same
thing
thing
if
if
price
price
print in a
print in an
opposite
opposite
direction.
direction.
So
So
if
if
price a
price a
range
range
right
right
now,
now,
if
if
price a
price a
range
range
right
right
now,
now,
and so
and
we
so
not
we not
push
push
down,
down,
chat.
chat.
So we not
So we
push
not push
down,
down,
but we do
but we do
something like
something like
this.
this.
We do
We do
something like
something like
this
this
and
and
push up.
push up.
You see
You
me?
see me?
Once we
Once you
push up
push up
and
and
break
break
out a
out a
range
range
1,
one,
we still we
still
not
we
look
not
for
look
no
for no
buys,
buys.
chat. We not
We
look for
not
no
look for no
buys.
buys.
Cause
Cause
price not
price not
grab
grab
liquidity.
liquidity.
We just
We
a
just a
range.
range.
After a
After a
range, we
range,
just
we
push
just
up
push
and
up
we break
and
the
break the
highs.
highs.
So when
So
we
when we
wait
are
and
wait
you
and
see
you
if
see if
price
price
break the
break the
highs,
highs,
no,
no,
wrong thing
trying
we click.
to click.
You see if
You see if
price
price
break the
break the
highs
highs
without
without
liquidity,
liquidity,
without
without
breaking the
breaking the
lowest
lowest
track,
track,
would I
would
wait
I
for
wait
a
for your
fake
fake
out.
out?
Cause
Cause
after a
after a
range,
range,
you
you
usually have
usually
a
have a
manipulation where
manipulation where
price
price
push up
push up
bullish
bullish
and
and
fall
fall
back
back
down and
down and
close back
close back
below the
below the
range.
range.
You see
You
if we
see if
can
we
get
can
like
get
a
like a
closure back
closure back
below the
below the
range
range
after we
after we
push up
push up
and
and
break
break
the
the
highs,
highs.
then
Then
once we
once we
close back
close back
below the
below the
range
range
track,
track,
this is
this
that
would have
model
would
for
have
take
protect
cells
sell
on the
on the
closure
closure
below the
below the
range.
range.
And
And
model for
model
take
protect
cells to
sell to
continue
continue
down
down
and
and
fill the
fill the
entire
entire
range.
range.
You see
You
me?
see me?
So
So
that's
as
some
some
trade
trade
whenever
whenever
price a
price a
range.
range.
And if
And if
that
that
confusing, I
confusing,
just
I
say
just say
one more
one more
time.
time.
So look,
So look,
consolidation. deviation, price of range, right? Hold
Hold
on.
on.
Price of
Price of
range.
range.
Um, from
From
right
right
so,
so,
right
right
so.
so.
Price in
Price
a
in a
this a
this a
range of
range of
price in
price
a.
in a.
You see
You
me?
see me?
So
So
if
if
price will
price will
break
break
out,
out,
if
if
price will
price will
push up
push up
and
and
break
break
out of the
out of the
range
range
track,
track.
once
Once
that
that
happen,
happen,
we are
we
finna
have to
buys.
buy.
We are
We
gonna
are gonna
wait
wait
until
until
price
price
grab
grab
liquidity
liquidity
and
and
forward
forward
bar
bar
down,
down,
close
close
below the
below the
range.
range.
After
After
price
price
push up
push
grab
up grab
liquidity and
liquidity and
close back
close back
below the
below the
range.
range.
Later,
Later,
um,
um,
after
after
then do
then do
that,
that,
after we
after
close
we
back
close
below
back
the
below the
range, would I
range, would
wait
I
for
wait
like
for
a
like a
retest,
retest,
and
and
once we
once we
forward back
forward back
down, would I
down, would
wait
I
for
look
take
at
cells
cells
below this
below this
range
range
track.
attack.
We
We
forward back
forward back
down,
down,
and fill
and
the
fill the
entire
entire
range.
range.
You see
You
me?
see me?
Cause this
Cause
is
this is
bottom of my
bottom of my
range.
range.
But yeah, hopefully when you get that, bro. If you don't get it, just stick around, bro. Day by day, you're gonna understand. So that's our price I do right now. We just dry out, so we are mark up on the chart now. We are mark up on the chart, and I see an idea in mind, chat. So we are range, right? May I put one line right there, so. What I say right there, so. Yeah. I'm put one line right there, so. 90, 39, 61 chat. The reason I'm put one line, the reason I'm have a level right there, so, because more I say right there, so I like it bottom my range. For now, you see me chat. I'm gonna put one next line right there, so. Put one next line right there, so. Yeah, it's like top of range. So as I'm say chat. If price the same like this, so your price push up, close above, break the highs here, what we have to the left, the highs are right there, so. After we do that, if price manage to close back below the range, we will look for take sells. Remember this is a range, so it's like only thing we are doing, we just a follow like what price I do. It's like on a range there, you normally wait for price grab liquidity and fall back into the range. How could I take advantage of this range coming down towards 39.61? You see me? But would I need to see liquidity first? And if that happen, this would have been liquidity right here, so. You see me, chat? Vice versa, bro. So that we are waiting for. That is my idea. That is my idea. Flashpoint. Bright effort. But that is my idea, chat. So we have levels them mark up there, so. Get levels them off for the 4 hour time frame. May I drop down to like the hourly and see if I'm seeing nothing. I use all of my time frame and chat. I use monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes and 1 minute. I use all of them. Basically, like me use them for just like when you use a can with them, you basically have a better understanding. Like when you use all of them, instead of just use a 30 minutes alone, like use every single one of them. All of them, when we read all of them, it make way more sense to me than just keep on like a 30-minute time frame. We know some people only trade the 1 minute time frame. You can't do that, bro. We have to trade like the all of them. But hopefully you understand the plan, chat. You see me? We are range right now. We are waiting for a break of the highs. After we break the highs, we are enter upon the break of the highs now. We just need a break of the highs. So we can get some volume. Once we break the highs, we usually some volume usually kick in our market. You see me? And we have news at 10. You see me? PMI, we have that at 10, one red folder. So that gonna be heavy. What time? 9 o'clock. So chat, that type plan. Right now we just play a waiting game, bro. You see me? Right now we just play a waiting game. But hopefully you understand though, chat. You see me? As I'm saying, I say it again. Simple, bro. We are range. We are range right now. They say 3 different type of market cycle. A consolidation, which means range. A manipulation. And a continuation. So right now, if price are consolidate, you would expect a manipulation next, aka a fake out, aka liquidity. So since we are expecting liquidity, that we are waiting on. Anyway, price grab liquidity, whether I grab liquidity up, whether I grab liquidity up chat, or I push down and I grab liquidity down. You see me? After I grab liquidity down, we fall down, we close back in our range. Any which way grab liquidity, Yeah, we just
Yeah, we
wait
just
for
wait for
liquidity grab
liquidity grab
first,
first,
and then we
and
look
then
for
we look
buys
for buys
ourselves.
ourselves.
We're gonna
We're
definitely
gonna
get a
definitely get a
breakout though, chat.
breakout
We're
though,
not
chat.
gonna
We're not
range
gonna
for the
range
whole
the
day,
whole
bro.
day, bro.
Cause we have
Cause we
news
have
are
news
forward
and
out,
forward out,
and the news
and the
full
news
that they
full that
gonna
it
move
gonna move
price.
price.
But
But
anything we don't
anything we don't
understand, you can just
understand, you can just
ask no
ask on a
question, bro.
question, bro.
Anything we not
Anything we not
understand, chat.
understand, chat.
You see me?
You see me?
But that
But
I'm
that
your
I'm your
analysis, bro.
analysis,
You see
bro.
me?
You see me?
You might see
You
my
might see my
levels them
levels them
start to
start to
move.
move.
The more
The
price
more
sprint,
price
you
sprint,
know.
you know.
But
But
even if me move my
move
levels
my
them
levels
chat,
them
I
chat,
same
I
idea
same
in
idea
mind.
in mind.
And me know
And
me not have too much
me not have too
line
much
on the
line
screen,
on the
but
screen, but
see, alright, look,
alright,
chat.
look, chat.
You see them
You see
line
them
on
line
half
on
on
up
screen,
on
then two
screen, then
line, yeah.
two line, yeah.
Them two
Them
line,
two
yeah.
line, yeah.
And I say we
And I
are gonna
say we
take
have to
buys
take
above
price above
ourselves below, you
ourselves
know.
below, you know.
Them are two
Them
line
are
I
two
have
line
on the
I'm up on
screen.
the
Me
screen.
have nothing
Have
to do
nothing
with
to do
buys
with buys
above it
above
or
it or
sells below.
sells below.
Me only
Me
put
only
them
put
there
them
to
there to
identify
identify
range.
range.
You see me?
You see me?
Chat. We
Chat,
might
we
take
might take
cells.
cells,
We might
we
take
might take
cells.
cells,
We
we
might take
might take
cells below.
cells
Yes,
below,
sir.
yes sir.
You see
You
me?
see me?
So
So
as I'm
as
say,
I'm say,
them two
them
line
two
I
line
have
I'm have
mark up.
mark
Then
up,
you
then
saw
I saw
upper so.
upper so.
Them they are
Them
not
they
with
are
me. I
not with
look
me,
for
I look for
buys or
buys or
sells
sells
below.
below.
Them they are
Them they
just
are
some
just some
level. Or
level,
more
or
that
more that
expect to
expect
get
to
top
get
or
top
if we
or if we
can
can
break it.
break it.
You see
You
me?
see me?
And after
And
we
after
break
we
it,
break it,
then we look
then
for
we look to
play the
play the
range.
range.
The price
The price
actually,
actually, you know.
But hopefully we get
Hopefully we
that
get
though. If
that
we
though.
don't
If we don't
understand, I saw you
understand, I
go.
saw you go.
When my
When my
mentor that
mentor
teach
that
me, me
teach me,
never
we never
understand.
understand.
Like yeah,
Like yeah,
Spanish that
Spanish
did I
did I
speak, but
speak, but
see if I
see if
show
I
up
show up
day by
day
day,
by
I
day,
gonna
I can
understand day
understand
by
day
day.
by day.
But chat,
But
tell me
chat,
how
tell
your
me how
face
your
cam I
face
look
can I
chat,
look chat,
cause I'm a
cause
phone
I'm a
me I
phone
use,
me
you
I
know.
use, you know.
Me I use
Me
a
I use an
iPhone level
iPhone
for
level for
face
face
cam, bro.
cam, bro.
Me I use a
Me I use an
iPhone level
iPhone
for
level for
face cam
face
chat.
cam chat.
Tell me how your
Tell me how
face cam
face
look.
cam look.
Like
Like,
it look
it look
clean.
clean.
Or you think
Or
me
you
for
think
buy
me
a
to buy
real
a real
camera?
camera?
Cause
Cause
I true them I say
them I say,
yo,
yo,
the
the
iPhone
iPhone
camera
camera
good.
good.
Is it?
Is
So if
it?
you have
So
an
if you have
iPhone,
an
just
iPhone,
use
just
it.
use it.
So that's why
So
I'm
that's why
just
I'm
use
just
it.
use it.
But me don't know,
But me don't
like,
know,
tell me
like,
a
tell me a
quality look
quality look
from your
from
end.
your end.
Or your
Or
stream
the stream
quality look.
quality look.
Hold on, chat.
Hold
Give me
on,
like
chat. Give me
two
like two
seconds. Give
seconds.
me like
Give
two
me like
seconds,
2
chat.
seconds, chat.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Oh,
Oh,
Micah
Micah
Echo.
Echo.
I won't fix
I'll
that
fix that
again.
again.
So
So
line,
line,
bro. I
bro. I
drew
drew
thing. Hold
thing.
on.
Hold on.
Don't tell
Don't
me
tell
say,
me say,
oh, cause
oh,
my
come
swear thing
straight
say,
thing say,
yo,
yo,
me never
me
come
never
off
come
a
off a
screen
screen
starting
starting
page, you know.
page, you know.
Micah
Micah
Echo.
Echo.
Sorry about
Sorry
that,
about
bro.
that,
It's
bro. It's
supposed to
supposed
good
to good
now.
now.
It's supposed to
Supposed
good
to
now,
good now,
dog.
dog.
Sorry about
Sorry
that.
about that.
So, bro,
So,
a
bro, a
whole
whole
freaking
freaking
analysis,
analysis,
a
a
straight
straight
echo.
echo.
So, me have
So,
to
me
go
have to
do
go
it
do it
again, chat.
again, chat.
True, me didn't even
True,
watch it chat. Me
chat.
just
Just
analyze the
analyze the
chart.
chart.
I'm
And
still a
still a
echo.
echo.
Hold on,
Hold
chat.
on,
I'm
chat.
try to
I'm
fix
trying to
that
fix
echo,
that
yeah.
echo, yeah.
Yo,
Yo,
mic check,
mic check,
mic check.
mic check.
I
I
wonder what
wonder what
cause it
caused
for
it to
echo
echo
though.
though.
Yo,
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 yo.
yo.
We
We
still at
still at
echo?
echo?
Are we
Are we
good?
good?
Yo,
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 bro.
bro.
Hold on, chat. We're going to fix this. We're going to see if that works. That work, chat? We still at echo? But may I run back your analysis, bro? Cause I don't wanna hear nothing, bro. We have to go run that again from scratch. That are my bad still. Me leave it know so we are echo. That are
That
my
my
bad
bad
chat,
chat,
but
but
hold
hold
on.
on.
I mute me
Mute
have
me
to
after
mute
mute
this.
this.
I'm
How
gonna
me
mute
mute
this.
this?
Alright. We're supposed to good now. Echo supposed to gone and everything. Let me know if we still at echo or we good. Hold on, chat. Chat, we still at echo or we good? Let me know, bro. Bro, some joke thing that the whole time my mic a echo, bro. Joke thing, chance I'm just waste my time, bro. Well, I would call it a waste of time still, cause I can just do it again, a simple fix. Can just do it again. Hold on, I'm gonna try fix this back. Hold on, chat. Hopefully not hear me now. I'm still at echo. Go back on your home page. Yo, yo, yo. We're probably good, chat. We're probably good. Alright, hold on. Let me see something. See you later. Chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. You see me? May I analyze the chart again? Cause I know I never hear that. I never hear that good. You see me? May I analyze the chart again, but nothing really are going on yet. You see me? So give me like 2 seconds. I wanna see something, chat. I wanna make sure this will work, bro. Me always I forget to mute that. Every time when that go unmute, that's why mic echo. But now we're good though. No good chat. Let me go back on your home page. Go back on trade of you. Alright. So yeah bro, give me like 2 seconds. Me I run go take up a drink and then me I forward back. We are do the analysis again. Okay, whole time I might do that echo. Hold on chat, me soon put on back your face cam. Me I run go for your juice and forward. Alright, my day back. We are running analysis again, chat. Just give me like 2 seconds. Remember we saying we might there till 10 because at 10 o'clock we have a red folder for our 10 o'clock. You see me? So probably we get a trade after 10, bro. Cause that when news are forward out. Look. Alright. I'm gonna try to fix this back. And grab this. Alright, chat. I'm still hear me though. You know see my screen by the way? Go back home. Alright, chat. So look, we are go over it again. Cause first, hold on, let me make sure my mic not echo chat. Hold on. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're good. I mic with up on the cam chat. You see mic on the cam? It cause it cause if for like it cause the audio for freaking echo, bro. But I make sure I mute it. So it's supposed to be good now. Um, hold on, let me see some. Hold on, chat. Bear with me. First time me I use this, bro. My other stream they never have this. Some even like that take me a while before me get kinda used to this. For some reason chat it cam just not show. I don't know why. How would I? Hold on chat. This cam dog, I don't understand this face cam chat. I try figure out, bro. It's like that give me a trouble. I know I'm try use the other one. Come I see probably that one and not work. I'm try use the other one. Probably because me have the app the open. Hold on chat. Are you for sure? Remember as I'm saying I get used to this. So it's like me don't know like it still not work. Sign of that type problem them. Chat, we have got to stream without the face cam, bro. We have got to stream without the face cam. Cause it's a thing a joke, bro. Like, I tried this for last time. If this not work, we have got just stream without it, dog. Alright, bro. It's our last try. If this not work, me don't know what else to do, bro. Hold on, try fix this good. Alright, if I say you want to set so then. Yo, chat, you not see me? Alright, you must see me now. I face cam a bug out, dog. Hold on, chat, let me see some. When would I face cam, I would have give B a trouble, dog. You survive, Melissa? No. Me not there Jamaica, bro. Me not there Jamaica. But as I'm say, I face cam, me I try get for forward back up. It just not show up. Me don't know why. Alright, chat, hold on. But I'm find a link. I have one link in this one I always use, you know. I'ma try connect it through a link and see if that work. If that no work, we just stream without the face cam, bro. Cause I never used to use it from morning. I just try me and try it now. This is my first stream with a face cam. That's why I thought fuck around, dog. Um hold on. Hopefully this work, bro. That still no work. Alright, chat. It look like me have to go put a link in a OBS. Like me have to go like, alright, let me do that real quick. That take like 2 seconds, bro. Let me just get a link from Instagram, put it in a OBS again, and see if that work. If that no work, chat, we just left that alone, bro. Alright, chat, watch this. My copy link, share it to my share it to my other account so I can put it, copy and paste it in a OBS. And once I paste it in a OBS, bro, that I lost like. Alright, watch this, chat. I'm not even showing what I do. I'm gonna do this again. Go up on the cam, double click, and I write the side code figure up top. Hold on. No, this one, yeah? I'm gonna say, yeah, it. So I put the code in there one more time, chat. Yes. If this no work, I don't know what to do, bro. So we'll see if it work. Hold on. That work? Joke thing, bro. And the whole time freaking thing. Hold on, chat. Still no work. I'm trying to go dog. Yo, chat, I swear, I don't know what to do with that face camera again, bro. I try everything what I know and it still not work. It just chip out and top work. Hold on. Yeah, if you have on screen recording. Hold on, chat. Give me 2 seconds, chat. May I try like figure out this, bro. May I try figure this out. I just know it did I get some problem doing, you know. Cause it's like Try first time me I use it. I just know that I keep up something for dog. Like me know for use no face cam. So how it just work now and I never do nothing. Chat, I see them button them when me I press, I just press it again. And it just work now. That even makes sense, bro. It's like me being I press the same button them. I press the same button them again and now it works. So why never work the first time? That makes sense. But hey, it a work though. Shit. So we just jump straight in it, dog. That takes so long. I'll make sure me mute. Hold on, chat. Sorry about that. Me have to mute this. No me nah echo. I love sitting on my head. Alright, no me nah echo. Can mute that. Alright. Alright, chat. We'll just do the analysis over again. Push this up. Alright, got good right there, so. Yeah, everything good. Alright, chat. So we'll run the analysis over again. Cause my mic the echo. None of them never hear me. So we'll just do it all over again. I'm gonna delete that. Alright. So I'm forward on the chat. I realize say yo, we are range. You see me? Look on this. This 4 rectangle, not the 4 rectangle. 4 time frame. As you can see, we in a range. Fall down, we push up, push down, push up. So what price I do right now in a chat. If I push up, we push down, we push back up, forward back down. Hold on, chat. I'm just draw price as best as I can. I'm just draw it for right now. Alright, so that I'm drawing. So that's our price I do right now, chat. You see me? So if you look on that, this is basically what I do earlier. To my mic did a bug out. I have to just do it again for everybody in our stream. So alright, so this is our price I do. You see me? If you notice, yo, right here, so we have a level right here, so. Right here, so we have a level right here, so chat. And after we have a level right here, so we have a next level. We have a next level right here, so. I'm gonna draw that good. Hold on. Can't draw a straight line. Alright, that's straight as it get. Alright, so we have a resistance right here, so we have a support right here, so this is a range out in chat. So remember, I said earlier, 3 different type of market cycle. You have a range, you have a range, you have a manipulation, and you have a continuation. And some people call the range a consolidation, basically same thing. So after price consolidate, which our price basically I do right now, and I can't even use a whole of them thing at all, cause alright. After price range, which are basically what price I do right now, we push up, fall down, push up, fall down, we break, but after we break we fall back into the range, push back down, push back up. Basically price in a range I go up down. So alright, after a range chat, I would expect price for print price for grab liquidity. But I expect price to print a fake out. So this is what that would look like. See if price forward and price push up chat and break this high what we have right here, so break them highs over here, so chat. Break out of the range. We'll look for no buys. Cause why? Cause after we consolidate, we would expect a manipulation. After consolidation, you get a manipulation. So this would be the range. Price a range. This would be the first breakout. So the first breakout, I got most likely I got be a manipulation. So I got say one next bearish can go forward back down and close back in a range. After you swear things the price did I go up. You see me? So we are gonna wait for that. We are wait for a manipulation chart. We are wait for price grab liquidity. After price grab liquidity, you could have after price grab liquidity and close back in a range chart, we would wait for like a rejection. After that rejection there, we fall back down and we look for take sales once we break this low right here, so. So it's a structure here we have right as a chat. This look a structure here right as a. Once we break that, would I look for take cells going down. You see me? And would I look for take advantage of the range fill. Cause we have a range. So yo, say price break below right here, so. See this a line where me have right as a chat, say price break below here, so. And push down. Would I look for take advantage of this range of chat? You see me? Cause once price retest, we have like a whole entire range for fill. So we could look for take advantage of that. And vice versa, hold on. Vice versa. Cause price not have to push up and grab liquidity up. Price can push down. But I see my idea if price push down. You see me? So say market says I say market look right now. So if price do something like this. If price even top that so forward back down, print a high, forward back down, print another high. Chat, you already know. Once price forward down and break out of range, we still would look for the sales because that I first breakout. You see me chat. So it's same thing. The same thing when I just explain for buys. If I take sales, I same idea. If price close below here, so that I first closure below. The first closure below would be like a manipulation. So after that happen, we would wait for something like this. We get a bullish closure back into the range. You see me? After we get a bullish closure back into the range chat, we can look for take buys going up. You see me? After price print structure though. If it just push up straight up, we not enter into that. Let me show you. If price just do something like this, we not enter, bro. Price need to print structure on its way up. You see me? Boom, 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 boom. Cause this a structure chat. We need some, what you call it again? Higher lows. How that? Yeah, chat. We need some higher lows. So would I have like hold on, now we trying to circle. Yeah, so if that will happen chat, would I have like a low right here, so higher low right here, so we have another one right here, so we have another right one. We have another one right here, so. So that way, this is what you call structure chat. You see me? Because when we have structure, price more likely to drive up if we have structure. You see if price just a go up. If price just a go up without structure chat, that easier for break. You see me? If price just a go up without structure, it easier for break if price for reject. You see me? But say yo, price not just go up and price do something like this. This different chat. This different than we just pop straight up. So if we just pop up, look for no buys. Few buys if you have structure. You see me chat? So yeah, something like that me wait for. And hopefully you understand, you know that hard, bro. First thing me do, when I forward on the chart, identify what type of day it is. To you look like a range type of day. So we have a few players for a range day. Hold on. Yeah. We have a few players for a range day, chat. And we have players for days when the market up drive. We have players for like we not trade liquidity. You see me? We wait for liquidity. We wait for manipulation. We not trade that. But consolidation, we have like a player for that. Continuation when price just a push, we have another player for that. So as I'm saying, we forward on the chart, identify type of day where we in a. This look like a range type of day. A lie? You see we have a level right here, so. See we have a level right here, so chat. We have a level right here, so. Price not gone no way. I can't even draw a straight line. You not hear me by the way? Hold on. Price not gone no way, chat. Price just in a this range. You see me? So since price not gone nowhere, that how me realize like it's a range type of day. So after a range, I same thing, bro. I sound like me just repeat myself. I same thing, chat. After a range, we wait for liquidity. After we get liquidity, then we look for position. But liquidity can be in any direction. It can go up and break the highs first and fall back down, or it can go down, break the lows first and fall back up. So just wait, chat. That how me look. That how me look on things. So I do now, I mark up a chart. You see me? I mark up a chart. I put one line here, so that would have been with support. I probably can go a little lower. I put one next line right here, so resistance. When I look for buys above, when I look for buys above 40.25, or when I look for sales below 39.80. I just a range we in. You see me? Me just do that to identify range we in. So now you see range clearer, chat. I drop down to the hourly time frame. Hourly candle, we re-break the highs, we re-break the previous hourly candle highs, and then we flip bearish. Hourly candle are forward down. So that good, bro. You see if we can forward down, reject, push back up, that would have been decent, chat. As I said, we need structure. So we have to make a market print structure, you see me? So like how it a forward down, that good, cause if you flip back bullish, that would have just be a higher low. Yeah, chat. Everything look decent. We just go and wait and see. I just switch class and time frame for like I get more information. You see me? So look, chat. My mom tells me say, yo, in our first analysis, somebody I tell say, yo, we are gonna look for sales below, yes sir. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. Tell us we are look for sales below, yes sir. But guess what, chat? We not bother do that, cause why? Price never break the highs. You see me? Price never break the highs. Well, I'm gonna start move around and show you what me talk. I'm gonna start switch the time frame, cause you probably not understand when me and switch what like time frame them. So I'm just showing you what me talk about. Alright. Let me use that one phone now. Alright. Will I say, yo, if price will push down and close below yasa, we could look for sales below yasa for go down, chat. You see me? For go down towards the range fill. But the reason why I'm not gonna take no sales below this is because why? We never grab no liquidity. I'm not sure if this is enough, chat. You see the high there? Look. You see the high what we print? See the higher right as a chat? I'm not sure if this is enough. I expect a break right as a. See them high over here, so see if price could have push up and break these highs what we have to the left and then flip back bearish, then would look for sells them. You see me? But we never break the highs. We never even break the structure where we have right here, so see we have a structure right here, so we never break that. So now I'm kind of skeptical about the sales them. I'm not taking no sales below here, so now. Cause we not grab liquidity. To me, this is not enough liquidity, chat. This is not enough liquidity. So I could be wrong. But if I'm wrong, what we are gonna wait for before we take sales are range 2 breakout. So you see how price are fall down. Breakout a range 1. If price feel like reject chat and push back up, and after we push back up we fall back down again and break range 2, then would I look for sales, cause price get a chance for reject and it never reject. You see like how price are reject now? You see that? You see like how price are reject now? For whatever reason, it fall back down, chat, and break the lows. So like how it push up. If it fall back down and break the lows, we could look for some entries. Because price get a chance for reject. You see me? It get a chance for reject. So if it fall back down and we break the lows, close below range 2, that would have been my sales. But when I look for no sales off of this, candle, cause we're not sure if this is enough liquidity. You see me? This probably me would have alright. When me think this and another liquidity, we can just definitely break the lows and flip back bullish and we push back up. You see me? But me could be wrong though. And I like say me always right. Me just speak from experience though, chat. You see me? So that I would have wait one. So we could have even look to take some buys. As I'm say chat. We could have look to take some buys above 40.22. Why would I look for take buys above 40.22? Cause this, Muda said this is liquidity, chat. Look, this right also, Muda said this is liquidity. You see me? But if you confirm it, what would I do? Cause even though Muda said this is liquidity, we're not gonna just enter. If you confirm it, you see if we can print a low right there, sir. And after we print a low right there, sir, price push back up. And we close above the highs. See the highs that we fail for break, chat. Hold on, I'm gonna show you now. You see them highs over here, sir? No, I'm gonna use the other one. I'm gonna use this. You see them highs over here, sir, chat? We fail for break. You see how we push up, but we never break. You see if we push down, grab liquidity, this can go reject, we close back above the range. You see me, chat? We close above the range and we push up, get a closure above the high, right? Yeah, so them highs here, if we get a closure above, we look to take buys above the highs here, right? As a chat. You see me? So that's how me wait one. Cause once price, if price manage to push back up and close above, break the highs, chat, we get a closure above the highs. Let me see what level that. Let me see what level that. 4021.70. If we get a closure above 4021, chat, would that be good if we take some buys? You see me? Cause as I'm say, we have liquidity and we would have structure. Because price now gonna just push up, it have print structure and it way up. So yeah, we have liquidity, we have structure, and we just look for take buys, and we look for take advantage of the next range where we have. And if we enter at 21, if price will push up and we enter at 21, my TP would have be 40.25, right? So this up, right up, so hold on, let me use this so I can't see. Yeah, right up, so this will be my TP up, so chat, because this is just the next resistance. If we break above here, so and price push up, it'll push up to next resistance, and so this is closest resistance if you ask me. You see me? We have bear rejection level for here, so I'm measure range, by the way. That would be what? That would be a 30 pip range, chat. That would be a 30 pip range, so that would be decent, bro. So just wait. That I analysis, that my plan. You see me, chat? If you don't understand, just ask a question. You see me? Camera no look too bad, chat. Look like me have to go change it though. Like me have to go change the face camera. Like me have to go change. Like me have to go change it soon. But it don't look too bad, you know. It just kind of look blurry. Kinda. I'm gonna do that right now, bro. That cost me a headache right now. See how long it take with. See how long it take to fix this. I'm gonna do that right now. And we have news 10 a.m. chat. 10 a.m. we have a red folder forward out, so gold are gonna move. No worry. Don't FOMO. Gold are gonna move, bro. And me already know, so we might get trade after 10. From this morning, me already know that. Probably after 10 we get trade, chat. We have news 10 o'clock, so after news forward out, then me I gonna start look for entries. If we get closure above a level, a key level. Right now I'm cool like ice. Bro, how Storm treat you know? So me even there at Jamaica right now, that's why. I wish me did it still. You see me? But how Storm treat in the chat? Who lose their roof? Hopefully we'll still have on a roof intact, you know. But chat, you remember the plan? The plan is, I'm gonna just go over it one last time. Medieval, look chat, in our hard, we break the lows, we break structure. This look like liquidity to me. But even though it look like liquidity, I go wait and confirm it. How we are gonna confirm it? See if price push, like how price push down, print the wick, and then it flip bullish now. See, if price will actually close above, chat, if we get a bullish closure above, that you could confirm that could confirm it, a bullish closure above. After that, we just followed up and we close above like this structure. Once we close above this structure where we have right as a chat, once we close above these highs, then we look for buys. So yeah, this look decent, this look like liquidity, but I still not enter yet. I still need a closure above range 2. And if this is liquidity, then why we can't get a closure above range 2? We should get a closure above range 2 easily. You see me? So that's how me a red punch chat. If he sells them, structure. If we push up, like what we are do, if we push up, if we try to push up and fail, and we print lower highs, if we try to push up and fail and we print lower highs, well, I'm not sure, because it's like me understand what I talk about, but me don't know if you don't understand someone show you. Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, so look. Basically, this is what I say. If he sells them, you see how price forward down and break structure, right? You see if we fail for drive, because we flip bullish, you know. You see if we fail for push up and we just print lower highs, like you see the lower highs that we have lower highs, we have like highs right here, so we have a lower high right here, so you see if this fail for push up and we just print another lower high somewhere down here, so and who would like enter sales, you know, would I wait for like price fall down and re-break the lows, because you see if price re-break this low where it already print, then we could have look for range going down. We could have look for tech sales below the re-break of the low, forward down towards the range fill right here, so if I look left, we have this over here, so if we forget entry, that I get too confusing. Hold on. So if we forget entry on the re-break of the lows chat, we could have look for take advantage of this range. This range right here, so you go, bro. Hopefully that not too complex. Just simple maths, bro. Simple maths. You just play a waiting game. You see me? Just play a waiting game, chat. But how Storm treating, bro? Like, leave last say nothing. How Storm treating? So follow me, bro. Lift them people if you lift up, you know. Feel like today gonna be a good day though, chat. Like price are gonna move, trust me. Goal are gonna move to them, man. We just have the feeling that we're going to move. We're going to definitely move today. Hopefully me not echo, bro. I should not echo still cause I mute the cam mic. Look at my stream and delay, bro. Hold on, I'm like refresh that. And try, you see if the stream quality bad, try this. Try click settings. So what me I do? Click settings and try put the quality to like 720. You see me? Try put it to 720. It'll go like way better. Hopefully it's not make no sound. Alright, chat, nice. So look, remember this how me I talk about, you know? This is exactly what me I telling about. So we print a low, we flip bullish, we close bullish, get another bullish candle pushing up, but we're not done yet. We like everything I play out, you know, but we're not done yet. What we need for see next? We need for see this candle push up and close above the highs. Chat them highs there, we want a closure above the highs there. After a closure above the highs there, then we start look for entries, chat. We start look for buys. You see me? Our closure above 21, because we have structure right as to we left. So yeah, anything above here, so we start look for entries, chat. Yeah, we just need to keep pushing up. So that's how we do it. We don't trade liquidity, you know. We wait for liquidity. You see? This, as I'm say, even though me know said this is like liquidity, me assume say this is liquidity. That don't mean we are trading. We not trade liquidity. We break structure. We not trade liquidity. We wait for it happen, and after liquidity happen, we wait for a closure above the range. After a closure above the range, with liquidity, then we look for buys for continuation, chat. You see me? So yeah, bro. Can we get a closure above the range? Goal a push. Goal a push. So let's see. Let me see how big stops. So that be this how much? That's soft, bro. That's like 180 pip stops. Joke thing. 180 pip stops, chat. Joke thing. That not bad. Alright, chat. So we break the highs. Alright, get ready. May I use my phone for enter? May I use my phone for enter chat? So may I turn off my face cam and go up on MT5 because I use my phone for enter trade. But now I still hear my mic and everything though. But me not enter yet. Me not enter yet, chat. Me not enter yet. Why? We soon get a closure. Calm down. We soon get a closure, chat. We not just enter now. We soon get a closure. A minute and 20 seconds. We soon get a closure. So if we get a closure above a bottom wick, a rebreak of the highs, that's my entry. We got a minute and 15 seconds. Let me see what 1 minute time frame I do. Going close in 10 seconds on the 1 minute time frame. Alright, chat. I'm gonna go up on MT5. I soon put on back your face cam. Hold on. Make sure this probably have stream delay. Hold on, chat. Me I go focus. Jano. So chat, the range basically get filled. With TP almost get hit. But guess what? We never get an entry confirmation. A good chat. Cause look. Hold on. I'll show you now. A good chat. Look. We not go FOMO, chat. We not go FOMO. Even though our range get filled without we not go FOMO. Cause why? We never get an entry confirmation, bro. This candle, this bullish candle, you see, push up and close above the range, decent. So that's how me did wait for see. Me not gonna lie. But after that, chat, you would need to see like this bearish candle me want to see push down first, print a bottom wick, and after I push down, we look for buys on the candle flip. This candle, it open up, this red candle chat, it just open up and push straight up. I'm showing you, it just open up right as and push straight up. So when that happen, you don't have to feel FOMO, bro. We that ain't feel with control. You see me? We never get an entry confirmation, the range get filled, GG's. That's how you go. What we are gonna do, I just wait, chat. We're gonna still get entries. But that was a quick range fill though. Let me measure this. Price push like 28. We never completely topping out. We came close like what? Came like 3 pips away. think if 5 minutes can go close. So yeah, chat. I saw you go. We're not getting the entries, but the idea play out. You see me? We close above the range. 5 minutes can go. We not get. Could get no entry after that 5 minutes either, chat. Cause look, we close above the range. That good enough. And more than we close respecting. We barely like we close respecting almost above. But if this 5 minutes can go, they open up and reject chat. After I reject, we could have looked for take buys on the flip, or we could have looked for take buys on the rebreak at the highs. But I know just look how it can go. Look, it can just push straight up. It barely have a wick. So I just wait. We just wait for the next players. You see me? I just wait for the next player. Alright, I'm gonna tell you where the next player gonna be. Yo, may I get cool out there, so fuck dog. Hold on. Yeah, but I'm telling you where next player gonna be, check. So we are gonna wait and see if we can print a wick, chat. I see if we can print a wick. See if we can print structure. You see me? After we print structure, if we close below, below. If we close above the range, then that would have been good. But right now, chat, price fill the range without we have to just wait. Cause would I expect some rejection now, you know? After price fill the range, I expect some rejection, but we can, after a reject, if we push up and re-break the highs, would I like wait for like a range 2 breakout. So a range 2 breakout, chat, and above here, so, you know, if we push up, re-break the highs and close above, now I look for buys above here, so there's a range 1. You see me? So if we push up, close above range 1, now look for the buys, more price reject. And if we manage to push back up again and close above range 2, this would have been my buys, chat. That would have be range 2. This right here, so that would be range 1. So I'm now look for buys above range 1. We get like buys above range 2. And the reason for that, chat, cause if price I go fake out, price usually fake out above range 1. You see me? So say you gotta take some buys. Say you gotta take some buys and you gotta look for buy right here, so. I now say price can't go up, you know. It can. But also, if price I go fake out and fall back into the range, it I go do it right here, so. It I go do it right here, so, chat. Cause why? Cause that a range 1. That a range 1. You see me? So that's why I'm looking for buys above range 1. Cause it could definitely be a fake out, bro. But if it close above range 2, that would have been decent. Wait, chat. That basically the idea I have, bro. But we'll see if this I go reject. Cause we'll see if this I go reject, chat. See like how we push up and we break above range 1. We'll see if we are gonna like actually reject and fall back into the range or what. We have news in our next 5 minute chat. We have news in our next 5 minutes. Like, man, if I go for your jacket, bro. Just want to make sure that no log chat. That's why I me keep on a look fine. I want to make sure the stream no lag. The stream no lag from far and still. I don't see no lag. Hold on, chat. I'm pull up my journal real quick. Here, chat. It's a new journal. You see me? Just do some look update. Can realize like if you watch me on a mobile device, you would be able to see journal. You see me? So it's like me just like me just like update it. You see me? Just update a few things like the date and time and them there. Put some different color on it. You see me? Me have this. I calculate with weekly total. I'm show you. I'm show you. Wrong one. This. Alright. So this chart, so like it easy, bro. You have to just go through it. This a buy. No, not buy. This a date. Like when we take a trade. This a time. The exact time when we enter in our trade. This a session. This a pair. This a buy or sell. Entry type. The setup type. What time frame we take a trade off of. Win or lose. This is how much pips we make or how much pips we lose. This is how max drawdown can me calculate that. I start calculate my max drawdown chat. You see me? Cause bro, it helped me for like after I take like a lot of trade, like so like 50 trade or 100 trade, I can sample size my drawdown and see like how much drawdown I going on average. You see me? And it helped me for like it helped me for like have an idea of how my stop loss, if I can like increase my stop loss or decrease my stop loss. It give me like an average like idea of my normal drawdown. Like if I get what I'm trying to say. And this a pineapple. Basically pineapple is like a mentor me get this from. Basically whenever we say we take a pineapple position, that basically like a second entry. You see me? Whenever we take a pineapple is a second entry. So that's all pineapple is. Like we take a first entry and we enter like we get like a second entry if the position going a drawdown or what. But from me not getting a pineapple from week still. Me not getting a second entry, I just one entry. You see me? This is daily bias chart, like it's a daily bias. Right, so it's like whenever I take a trade, more like I fill out this like whether I did it bullish that day or whether we did bearish that day. You see me, I keep track of that too. And this over here side total. This over here side total. So Monday we catch 54 pips. Last week Monday, you know, make 54 pips. Tuesday we catch 36. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, as you can see for yourself, bro. But yeah, if you don't have a journal, get one, bro. If you don't know if you build one, you can just copy mine. But yeah, chat. A journal important, bro. You need a journal. It help you keep track. Alright, chat. So it look like goal and move. So I'm see what happen. Close bearish. It's another 5-minute candle open up and just start break highs. No wonder why we have news chat. So that was the news candle chat. That was the news candle. Let me see. So push up, we break the highs. So guess what chat? Now me I go wait. But me I wait on. Look. Price push up chat and we break the highs. So now we can reject. If price want to reject, it can cause we break the highs. Oh, I'm showing you. I'm zoom in so you can see. I'm showing you now. So yeah, You see this bullish candle, when on a bottom wick, it can just open up and push up. Not only that we push up, if you look left chat, first of all, we break all of this. We break this. We push up, we break this. If you look left, we have this over here, so we break this over here so too. So if this candle want flip bearish, this are the time feed flip bearish. So now me not look for no entry, me not look for no buy, cause we break the highs. After we break the highs, we can definitely flip bearish if gold want. So we're not looking for no buys yet. What me I go do, I wait for some closure. You see if price can stay above the range, close above the range, and do reject. If we close above the range, get structure, then we look for buys going up. But right now, we break the highs. This candle can literally flip if it want, bro. The hourly candle just open up. 57 minutes left. Within 57 minutes, this candle can flip bearish, bro. So I think no buys above right so. Well, if I say closure above, structure get print above, and then that would have be decent if we take buys. But right now, I would expect this candle to flip bearish chat. That I would expect though, and we still have ideas for if it not flip bearish. You see me? Closure above the range and structure. Let me see. Hold on, chat. Let me see some. I'm adjust my levels them. Let me adjust my levels them chat. Put that there, sir. Put the next no, move that. Put this one a rebreak of the 4 I can go high, and put one level right here so. One level right here so. So chat, you see after we print structure chat, if we can manage the print structure, would I look for take buys on the rebreak of the hourly can go highs. Would I look for take buys above 4030.71, but always a but. If you just put straight up right now and break the highs, man, I take that. Cause why? We need, it can't go need for print structure, bro. Like we need structure. Structure matter in a chat. You see if like look. Surprise I did this, bro. Surprise I did this. Structure matter, bro. Hold on, I wrong one that may I use. Surprise do something like this. Push up. Barely push down. Push up. Barely push down again. That's another way you call structure chat. You see me? You see if price will reject, them I go easily get break. Then lows I go easily get break. Because we never have no structure. You get what me I say? So if we are gonna drive up before me take buys above, me if it's like market actually print structure chat. Like so we do something like this. And after we do something like this chat, we push up. And after we push up, we range look a bit. See la. Alright. After we push up, we range look a bit. Push down, push up, push down, push up. After we range for a little bit, we break the lows. Break the lows chat. Break the lows. After we break the lows, once you can get like a closure back above, then we look for take buys. So at that time I look for see happen right as a chat. You see me? So we push up, we did reject this candle forward back into the range. So that good, bro. The more structure we have, the more structure get print. I like stronger the confirmation. You see me chat? So we just wait for that. More so this can go reject like what I do right now. Flip back bullish. Close above the high. Reject again. Flip back bullish. Yeah, bro. And then more if we take buys above. Let me see if we are lag. We're not lag. No, we're good. Hopefully background music not too low either. But we look like we're good. So look like as I'm saying chat. It's all it can go flip. Yeah, let me want to identify now. Let me see. After this all it can go flip. If it flip, more say like where we could have drive down towards next chat, cause me just a look. I say like if we flip bearish, get closure below, and we take sales chat after we print top wick. You see me? Alright, I'm gonna show you. This all it can go flip bearish. We get closures below range. We get some top wick chat, some top wick push back up. You see me chat? I even tap these highs over here, so we have to the left. So we have like them level here. Price push up, tap this level and we reject. We tap this level and we reject. You see me? And I pass. We tap this one right here and we reject. So if this can go flip bearish, if this only can go flip bearish, what I want to say, we push up your top wick. It could be up towards 40.25. 40.25 could be a top wick level. After that, if we manage to like close back below the range shot, that would have been my entry. We could have looked to take some sales right there, so if we like push up into the top wick, close back below the range, could have looked to take some sales right there, so try to come down towards 40.17. Because if you look left, this is like the next range, like so like the next range we're in, and we could have put that yellow line down some more towards right there, so you see me? Could have put it down towards a low, you see me? But that our next range we're in chat, so if we take sales below this, so we would have look for take sales if we get activated below 40 let me see 21, no 40.21. If we take sales below 40.21, we could have adjust this down some more. Yeah chat, cause this is just a range we're in. If it can go delete all of them, so I'm not confused, you know. So look, if this can go flip bearish, we now enter into a new range. You see me chat? From right also to right also. A new range where we enter in if this only can go flip bearish. So that's all I'm trying to say. Yeah, so would I look for take sales, would I probably take some sales below here, so hold on. Would I probably take some sales below right here, so, and with the idea of fall down towards this level right here, so you see my chat. I'm actually start calling level them instead of say, oh, this level right here, so sales below well let me see, sales below 40.20.69 if fall down towards 40.16.58. Yeah chat, so some I gotta look for go out it if that for happen. And we have idea for buy the same way chat, so all we have to do is just play a waiting game, bro. By level o'clock, level 30, if we don't get no trade, I just dip and we call it a day. By level 30 then time there. We forward back tomorrow. We don't even have to chase nothing, bro, cause we up for a week. Last week I make 200. Well, I'm not gonna say a week, cause I never live. Me up for a week. Last week I make 217 pips chat. I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade. I'm a win all 6 of them. We make all 6 trade combined. The first one we make 54, second one we make 36 pips, third one we make 33. The fourth one we make 20, fifth one we make 36 pips, and the sixth one we make 38. That is a total of 217 pips for a week, bro. So as I'm gonna say, we not have to chase, we not chase nothing, dog. Ready up for a week. If we didn't get a trade today, that cool with me, bro. Well, not for a week, but we're off to a good start. This is a new week. This was last week, chat. This was last week. Me not take no trade yet for this a week, yeah. Nah, chase goal still. But hopefully I understand like the idea them when me have chat. Right now, as I'm saying, we just have to play a waiting game, bro. Just have to wait until goal decide to move again. But if you ask me, it look decent doing a chat card. If goal are gonna bring structure, it's gonna take time though. So you're surprised just in this range that good, bro. Cause if it just pop straight up, I would take no entry anyways. So the fact that it arrange look a bit, that good. You see my chat. So nah have to worry about that. See. Well, I'm gonna refresh this. I want to see what I can change, what I can add, and then look at thing there, bro, to his stream. You probably get like it cam sideways next time. Instead of a face cam straight up, probably just turn it sideways. Probably that would have looked better. So chat, I get some like some lows that decent, bro. Price I print higher lows, as you can see. I have a low right, yes sir. I have a low right, yes sir. Right, yes sir. We have another low, and we have another higher low. So as I said, chat, but this is like we have to wait, but we can't even be mad, so we have to wait because this is where me and wait one. Remember, I'm telling you, even if we're gonna take buys above the highs, if price just push straight up, we not look for that. We would take it buys them. Would I need for say structure get print first, chat? Like we print lows and then we push back up. You see me? And print more lows and then we push back up. So that's our price basically I do right now. So even though we have to wait, the waiting makes sense because price I do what it's supposed to do. You see me? Price I do what it's supposed to do chat, which is print structure. See that how much? If we break the high and if we take buy, we have a 50 pip range going up. 49 to be exact. So if we take buy span and rebreak high, that would have been decent, bro. We have decent range going up. And even though I'm in a market chat, I'm still like having in a mind. See if I put one line this, I'm not like going too much line up on my screen. But yeah, see me, if we take buys on the rebreak at the highs, would I look for take buys go up towards 40-35. Yeah, see me chat. But me no want the line did it. Even though this would I go up towards, me no want to put the line there just yet. Got too much line on my screen. Confusing, bro. I like my screen now have too much lines. Can you even move that from the rebreak at your highs and put it up here, so? But we still keep the rebreak at your highs in mind though. That's just something like the chart. And you even put that there, so you see me just to make it look more neat. So this we'll just put that there so to identify rebreak high highs. But yeah. I wonder like I try to fix the stream delay after today. I go look up some video to like figure out how to fix stream delay, because I realize the stream have some delay upon it. I try to learn how to fix the stream delay. Chat, remember like if you're like remember put the quality, like put in a 720, bro. Or sometimes it automatically like have you watching a 360 and that look rough, bro. You see me? So just put the quality up. Now 720. We don't have no more news. I don't think so. True, but we leave like a day. FOC member Cook speaks. We're not gonna there for 2 though. We're not there so long. By level 30, bro, if we don't get nothing by level 30, me and left. Like if by anywhere from level o'clock to level 30 chat. You see me? Say if level o'clock forward and we not get no trade, but it's like we're close to get a trade, may stay till level 30. You see me? But if like if level o'clock forward and we even close to get a trade, I just call it a day and we just dip. and fall back tomorrow. Right now everything look good, chat. As I'm say, we are wait, but price have a print structure, bro. What you expect? We have a print structure before we go up. Hold on, chat. Me have to give me like 2 seconds. Wait, if face can bug out again, chat, I may try check for see, bro, cause it probably bug out again. No, we're back. Alright, we're back. Fully that mute though, cause if that not mute it all, like, hook up the audio. Alright, chat, so we get like this 5-minute candle. Look on the 5-minute candle here. Heavily bearish, and measure that. 100 pip 5-minute candle. One 5-minute candle push 100 pips. Remember back in the days when I just start trade, gold daily candle used to be 100 pips to 150 pips, bro. Gold daily candle. And now, one 5-minute candle, bro. One. This used to be a daily candle chart, believe. Gold daily candle used to be anywhere from 100 pips to 200 pips, bro. But time change. Oh, just one 5-minute candle. Gold and move whole heap. And I'm not gonna lie, nah. Chat, my stops increase. My stops increase, bro. But then we did have 160 pips stops. And now my stop loss at 200 pips. Not even 200, 250. But I fix my lot though, like my lot size, I change up my lot size. Since I increase my stop loss, I change up my lot size. So I still risk the same percentage. If I get what I say, I still risk the same percentage. the lot size change up, but my stop loss increase though. Reason why my stop loss increase cause goal range massive, bro. A goal, say a 1.5 minute candle push 100 pips, 150 pips stop loss. A joke thing that you have to like adapt. Yes, in my chat, I'm gonna show them. Back in ideas, bro. When my stops then get hit. Look chat, right as I say me lose 300 pips, 377 pips in a one trade. This how in hold on, let me see. This a April in a April chat. I the Asian session too, no wonder, of course a Asian session, bro. We lose 300 now I say week, them a time I never did a stream. I never did a live stream back in ideas. This is when I did a learn. You see me? Me lose 377 pips, and you can see right as we lose 300. But that I only like, I think only 2 times that happened. You see me? My average stop loss was 100 to 200 pips. Can see right here, so I lose 179 pips. And after that, then you saw, well, now after that, this I did when April 29. I lose 179 pips. And after that, after April 29, me no lose again till that when it 5, that a May. Me no lose again till May 14. You see me? May 14, me lose 200 pips. That was decent. That's how much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I like 12 win in a row. 12 win in a row before I take another L and I lose 200 pips, chat. But this I think, like, when I lose 200 pips, bro, my bin make way over 200 pips. The first trade make 55, second trade 23, next trade 60, next one 53. That's how I always do it, bro. And it's like, you see when I go over my journal, it help me for like adjust certain things, bro. Remember right as a chat. Right, that's always a losing streak, dog. If you're looking at my journal, you know, I normally win like anywhere from 10 trade before me take a L. That's what my journal show. But look right as we lose that. We lose a trade there. Right after that, or next day after that, we lose a next trade. Well, I'm still goal I do. Alright. Next day after that, we lose a next trade. So we lose 2 trade in a row. That not really like that not normal, you know. That not normal for like my trading strategy. But it happens sometime. Then after we lose 2 trade in a row, we get back a win. After we get a win, we lose again. So that tough, bro. I lose 240 pips up on that trader. Then this I lose 82. Then I get a win. I'm make 63 pips. Then after I lose again, I lose 160. So that the rough, the time they did rough, this is back in May, bro. 2024. Then my time I did rough chat, then I get 3 wins in a row. After I get 3 wins in a row, I take another 200 pip loss, bro. But them I did a rough times, them I did a back in a 2024, bro. But yeah, as you can see though, it's like that this not really normal, bro. This how I call a losing streak. Not really normal. This how it. It's like me have a whole heap of data I go over, bro. And it's like if you're looking at a journal, every time, like you can see some adjust every time, bro. Because if I start realize how much I start lose, you see some my losses then get a little smaller. May you start lose 150. This may lose 120. This one was 88. So my last then get look a bit smaller from before. Before me I lose 300 pips, 200 pips, and anything there, bro. But yeah, they decrease my stop loss, but now my stop loss increase again, chat. Cause goal a move heavy. If me fi hit stops, like I'm probably gonna lose like 250 pips. But that good though, cause it's not hard to make 250 pips. Cause it's like chat, it's like say yo, cause most people don't understand the way I'm a trade. It's like you can trade with a negative risk to reward, you see me? Basically that mean I would risk like 5 to make 1. I'm gonna explain to you. I would risk like 5 to make 1. So it's like most people say you can't trade with a negative risk to reward, but this is thing, bro. So if you have a negative risk to reward, you usually have a high win rate. So if I risk 5 to make 1, I probably win so much. By the time I lose, I'm still up if I get what I set. So it's like, look, I would have win 10 trade in a row. Like look on last week. Last week I win 6 trade in a row. I not take a L yet. I up 217 pips. Like many vlog go work with this cause this no play out yet. So I'm not gonna call nothing when I play out yet. I work with past data, chat. This how it happen in I pass. In I pass, cause chat, you know, I can't say yo me I go win. I can't say yo me I go like keep winning, cause you never know what gonna happen. So you have to use past data, bro. So in I pass, as you can see, me usually win like 1, 2, 3. If I go use that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Anywhere from like 6 to like 12 trades in a row before me take a L. You see me, chat? That are what like usually happening in I pass. So with like then data how me have, that's how I manage to trade a negative risk to reward. Look, like for example, look right here, so. Right here, so, I win. I did a win. I make like 55 pips. After that, I make 23, 60 after that, 53 after that, 68, 40, 40 again, 67, 100 pips, 60 again, 40 again, 33 again. And then after that, I lose 200 pips. Bro, but you see how much win I win before I lose 200 pips? So that's how you stay profitable with a negative risk to reward. That's how I try to explain to you. So yeah, my stop loss bigger than my TP. But bro, yeah, but just bro, yeah, people with a negative risk to reward usually have a high win rate. So people always tell me say, yo, when me I do not make sense, but bro, you just not understand it. You're not have to risk. You're not have to risk 10. No, you're not have to risk 1 to make 10, chat. You're not have to risk 1 to make 10. You can risk 10 to make 1 if you have a 90% chance of winning. Think about it. You don't have to risk 1 to make 10, bro. You can risk 10 to make 1 if you have a 90% chance of winning, bro. And you're gonna still be profitable. So, but most people not think like that. I'm get it, bro. Most people brain no work like that, bro. Most people think say, yo, oh, I would never do that. And it's cool though, cause like that are like regular way of thinking, bro. You see me? But when you start for like 3 different dog, negative risk to reward are gonna make sense there. But chat, we are far down. This look decent. We could I look for text on sales. We fall down. We still got range to fill. We measure this and see so much. So that would be like 20. Towards the lows would be like 55. So I'm put that right here, so. Put that right here, so chat. Yeah, if we get like a closure below, get on next line. Can we get a closure below the lows? Or a rebreak of the lows? From the rebreak of the lows, that are like 27. But would I need a top wick? So chat, look, besides from the negative risk to reward and all of that, on the charts we they know. So look, you can see we are print like structure, like goal of forward down, and we print like we get some highs, can go print some highs, this can go close bullish. We are forward down, but it's I think chat. Look, see if we can get some closure below, like if we can get some closure below the level here, we look for take some sells forward down and break this low. I can even put this a bit further. Can even like adjust the yellow line here on the low. Cause it's like that would have be like the next range we would expect to get fill. You see me? Yeah bro. Cause some would look for play. So would look for take some sales on the rebreak of the lows. If price manage to rebreak the lows after we print a top wick. I thought just if in a chat, cause price not have to do it. I would have. As I'm saying, that just if. You see me? If we manage to rebreak the lows, tell me why would I like rebreak the lows if gold now go drive down further? If we rebreak the lows, gold will definitely push down further, chat. And not only that, we're below this structure right here, so we would have like close below this structure if we manage to put forward back bearish. So once we're below this structure, rebreak the lows, we go like a go but down towards like the next level. So I saw that we have to take sales go down towards this. And if feeler, if same thing chat, like if like we forward down, we print a low, flip back bullish, and we manage to stay bullish and close above the range, we probably could look for take buys going up. You see me chat, but I still look for buys above range 2. I not take no buys above range 1. But hopefully you understand though, like the idea. If you not get it bro, I just say go bro. You have just like, you're not gonna get it first time you hear it bro. You have just like hear it over and over again. I basically the same thing I do every day. Like every day I same thing I do. Same players, well probably not the same players, but me have a couple players and it's like three players me have chat. 3 players. So that not hard to remember. Just 3 different players me have. But yeah though. Let me see. We are rebreak the highs. That good. Nice chat. So we get a closure above. Indeed. Hold on, let me see some. If we take buys, I want to say how much range we have going up. That would be 38 pips. From the rebreak of the previous 5-minute candle high, that would be 38. What if we enter for a week entry at 40.14? Would it be cheap bad for us to go up? That would be what? That would be 50. Patience chat. It's like where I get close though. And chat, look, you see if I go enter a trade and you don't understand, don't enter a trade, bro. If I go enter a trade and you don't understand the idea behind the trade, you can't enter. Cause that don't make no sense, bro. Or you go enter something where you don't understand or you don't get. You see me? So if I go enter a trade and you don't understand, just watch me. Just watch me, bro. Don't enter. If you understand the idea though, if you understand the idea and you understand the breakdown, then enter. It's up to you. But never trade blindly, chat. Never trade blindly, bro. You have to see that for yourself too. You see me? But yeah, chat, if we get a closure above the high, that would be decent. A rebreak of the high, sorry. a rebreak of the previous candle high. Might be a market execution to in a chat. That would have been what 40. That would have been 40 pips. So look here. May I just adjust the yellow line here up towards the rebreak of the highs. You see me? That's all me I do chat. Adjust it to the rebreak of the highs. So now me have that line there at 40.18.83. The rebreak of the 30-minute candle highs. From the rebreak of the 30-minute candle highs, if we rebreak the highs, would I expect price to push up towards Yasso 40.22.73. So chat, may I put some buy stop on the rebreak of this 30-minute candle high. May I market execute buy right now. So chat, me just enter buy. Chat, me just enter buys. And as I say, the idea chat, stops so that they on the lows. I put stops on the low. And the idea, if we rebreak the high, hopefully now see me. If we rebreak the high chat, would I just expect a quick push? You see me, a quick push up towards 40.22. And we did rebreak the high, we're pushing that how much? We're up like 16 pips. Hold on, camera bug out. 16 pips chat. But wait. Nice. Alright chat, break chat. Once we break these highs where we have to the left, this is now a risk-free trade. You see the highs that we have right as a chat. So we break it, so now the trade break even. Hold on chat, I'm gonna go break even real quick. $40, 19 points. I can't even understand this. I saw long minute trade on this upper dog. Fuck it, bro. I have to go back to it. Alright, chat. Hold on. Oh, see it. Alright, chat. So now I break even on both I position them. I could find a stop loss thing. Once we push up chat and top 42, 40, 22, may I close full. And so we forward close. Guess what chat? May I close full. Nice. Hold on, what just happened? Oh yeah, we're good. TP get hit, chat. Well, TP not get hit yet, but my close full. You know my style. That is it, bro. That is it, chat. Quick push. Me not think that trade they have no drawdown. Zero drawdown. Or we did. Me not think we have no drawdown. Cause as I'm say, a rebreak of the highs, chat. Say yo price. Right as so. Right as we enter, you know. And this was just a rebreak of the highs. Cause after a rebreak of the highs, would I expect a quick pop up towards 40.22.70. And that's what happened, bro. So that was clean. So who understand that? Who understand the idea behind the trade? Cause profit not really important, bro. Alright, fun and joke aside. Profit not really important, bro. You have to understand the idea behind it. You have to understand the idea behind a trade. Who understand why I take that trade there? Hold on, let me see. Me a lag. Hopefully me not a lag, bro. I'm even pay attention to his stream, not chatting up. I'm just a focus. But as I said, chat, double a trade, but who can tell me like, you don't understand like the idea behind a trade, yes or no? Because remember no, bro. If you don't understand it, cool. Because as I'm saying, you're not gonna get it. From like, you know, from the first time, you're not gonna understand. But if you just show up, you're gonna understand over time. Because same thing I do every single day. Hold on, this is a delay. So hold on, no way stream a delay. How much delay this have, bro? What going? Hold on, chat. Hold on, man. Try to figure out some. No way. Oh man, I'm gonna stop fuck with this stream, bro. Yeah, chat. So I'm gonna go over a trade. Cause I'm done for the day. That was a quick trade. So me I go over it again, and after me go over it, we are go journal the trade, and after we journal the trade, we are journal the trade right here, sir. A last week trade, then me a last week trade up here, sir. And this are this week. So today I third, today are Monday, we are journal the trade. But before we journal the trade, we are go over the trade. But so you can understand. You see me, if anybody who don't understand. So the idea behind our trade chat. The idea behind our trade is, hold on, I'm finding like a right time frame for sure. I'm showing you from the whole of them matter of fact, I use all of my time frame them chat. Alright, so look, if I go up on the 30, chat, you can see me have a level at hold on. Me have a level at 4018. I have a level right as a chat. Let me zoom out so you can look left. You see this right as a? You see how price like you see how that level there I'm showing you. See this right as a? The last time price forward I will close respecting this level. You see what this candle do? It push up and will fill the range. This bullish candle me attack boy, you know. It push up and it fill the range. You see me? Look right here, so look on that bullish candle here. When we fall down at 4018.96, what happened? It can go reject and will close bullish. You see me? So it's like this is a level. This is a level right here, so the price usually top. And after it top, we get a push up towards where? Look where it can go and reject from. We have rejection here, so this can go like we have closure. We have closure above here, so I could even put this a little higher. If me not gonna lie, hold on chat. I can even put this a little higher. No, you know what, I'm not gonna move yet. We're not gonna move yet. I'm showing you exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know if I'm confused, you know, I swear. I might have confused, you know, but I say you go. I put this just a little bit higher for sure, you know what I'm talking about. Cause me have my level right, I say in the chat. And my level based off of like current structure. My level are based off of this. You see them candle will close, so that's why I'm putting yellow line right so. But when me look left, me could have like adjust TP little bit higher. We could have put it on the body of this candle here. You see me? Me could have put it up little bit on the body, like right there so. You see me? Right there so. But it don't really matter still, like it don't really matter. But you get the point though. Like we could have used right so. Or my level I have right as a base of a current structure. You see me? So it's like if price will break the highs, back to what I say. If price will break the highs right as so, we could definitely get a quick push, go up towards 40.22. And not only that chat, not only that, because I know any rebreak of the highs will take. What happened before price try for rebreak? What happened before price try for rebreak the highs right as so? It print a low first. So we have this low right here, so this can go as bearish, this can go further and it print a low first. And with that say, if we get closure below, we could look for sells. You see me? But we're not getting a closure below. It print a low and it flip bullish. So you could look at this as liquidity. You see me chat? So if we fall down, print a low, print a high, bro, this oh, I'm not confusing with too much line. But if we fall down, print a low, right so, and then we print a high, can go reject a little bit, and then re-break is high. After the re-break of the high, where would I push up next? Or where would I go next? Where our next destination? 22.40 or 40.22, sorry. So that was the idea behind the trade chat. Hopefully you get that, bro. That was the idea. And if you look left, as you can see, every time we close above, we push up. Close up this over here, so push up. This over here, so reject, we push up. What else? This break, but we still flip bullish right here, so, and we push up. This flip bullish right here, so we break with a wick, we flip bullish right here, so we push up. So now after we break with this a week here, we print a high, we reject. After we break with this a week here, this a week here break, we print a high, we reject, we seal. You can't even draw straight. We reject, and after we reject, we push back up. So, but when we push back up, once we re-break this high, that was my entry. Cause on the re-break of this high, after we print a low, then yeah, so since we have liquidity and the re-break of this high, we could definitely have like enough like volume or enough like, I don't even know why word, but we could have price could have enough like strength for push we up towards the next range, which would be 20 40 22. So that's the idea behind the trade chart. Simple, bro. Liquidity, price print a high, reject, and then break its highs, and we end up on the re-break of the high. Simplest terms that, bro. If you don't get it, just forward back tomorrow, bro. We do the same thing every day. So if you hear the same thing every day, you're gonna understand eventually. But that is it, chat. But I'm journal the trade. W exit to, and the exit they did clean. But I'm journal the trade, bro. And then we call it a stream. After that. Alright, chat. So this was my entry. This a time frame I even look way cleaner. If I explain it from this a time frame, you would probably understand, cause it show like my entry. My entry was off at the 5-minute time frame, chat. It was off of this bullish candle right here, so you see me. So look, the previous 5-minute candle before this one here, before this bullish candle, the previous 5-minute bullish candle, wait do it print a lower, it break the range, cause we have level right here, such we have a level right here, so this a 5-minute candle here, it break the level. You see me? After we break the level, we manage to flip back bullish, close above the range. After we close above the range, this candle, this one here now, print a wick, flip bullish, or I think it did print a high first. Forward down, print a wick, flip forward down, flip bearish, print a wick. You see me, chat? So if price want drive down, it good for drive down. But what price do after I print a wick down, it forward back up, flip back bullish, and re-break its highs. We never enter up on a flip, we enter up on the re-break of the highs. Because if price re-break its current highs, we are going to print a newer high. And we would expect this range to get filled. So yeah, hopefully I understand, bro. As I'm saying, if I don't get it, just forward back tomorrow. We do the same thing every day. So I'm gonna journal this and call it a stream chat. I forgot these something. So it was a 5-minute it was a entry for the 5-minute time frame at 10:40. 5-minute time frame. The entry it was a re-break of the highs. So I'm gonna journal that. Hold on, let me leave up a minute. 10 what? 10:40 chat. Caps that space. I'm not showing you my journal. I don't need, bro. If I not journal, you're a joker, dog. But man, me have journal from January 2024. Oh, you're trading in a journal. Genuinely understand that, brother. If you're a trader, you have a journal, bro. Say NYC gold, we only trade gold. It was a buy for the re-break of the highs. The setup type, would I say the setup type was it a breakout? No, it was a break back into the range. Cause remember, you know, the setup type would have be like a break back into the range. Cause look, this candle will break out of range. Remember, you know, alright, look, I'm gonna dry up. While me a journal, me have to show you pre in a chat. You see me? I'm dry now. But I'm dry out. So we have a level right here, so put that look a bit higher. I make sure I'm gonna take 3 long. We have a level right here, so you see me? this 5-minute candle, it break out of the range. It break out. And after it break out, it break back into the range. And push and close bullish. So that was the setup type. You see me chat? If you understand. That was like the setup type. What type of setup you take? It was like a break back into the range. If that makes sense. But like it makes sense, bro. Real talk. Like you have to know what type of setup you take. So it's like, as I'm saying, me only have 3 setup. If you forward every day, and sometimes we take breakout, range 2 breakout. This hour back into the range. Mean like you can go break out our range, grab liquidity and close back into the range. So we take buys go up for continue. So that it mean chat. Hopefully you don't understand. That was after the 5-minute time frame. Another win for the day chat. Another win for start off the week, yeah. We did it live on stream. This hour, how much pips we make? Oh, this how much pips we make, chat. I'm gonna measure that. 2 inch me take 2, you know. 2 inch me take. 2 inch me take. We'll measure how much pips we make off of that trader. Hold on. I think my close off right. My close off before we hit TP. My close right, so we make 35 pips, chat. Yeah. 35 pips. I may have 2 inches, so that'll be what? 70. Something like that. Alright, chat. So put 70 right there, so. And I'm showing on my journal. So I'm gonna put that right there, so. You feel me? And then after max drawdown. Wanna see for yourself, we never have no drawdown for the trade. Replay stream, bro. Replay stream. We never have no drawdown for the trade, bro. Or even if we did anything under 10 pips chat, me no count it. So we enter right here, so. So we enter right here, so. And this a yellow line here. And price push down. Even if it push down a little bit, bro, like if we going a 5 pip drawdown, me no count that, bro. 5 pips that are just slippery, bro. Like me no count nothing, me no count 5 pips. Anything above 10 pips, me count that. That's how me count as drawdown. Anything above 10 pips. You see me? So when you see for yourself that trader never have no drawdown, bro. We enter for the rebreak of the highs and we just get a quick push. Go straight up. We never take no pineapple, so I'm gonna put 0. Why am I biased for today? The daily bias. Today bias was kind of tricky, chat. I know me not have like a full bias for the day. Even though we take sales, me I work with price action, you know. Me not have like a bias for the day, me I work with price action. Whether we bullish or we bearish, me take buys or sells. You see me? So today, me never have a bias for the day. Me I'll take a trade, I'm still not have a bias for the day, but I see if I can come up with one right now. I did tricky, bro, like gold push bullish, fall back down, bearish. Like we barely a move. Look, let me see daily candle. Funny daily candle. But to the bias, bro. More than say we're bullish overall, chat. We're bullish overall. Bullish overall. So daily time frame, I'm hide them. We're bullish overall. So I just put bullish. But this like price didn't move tricky, chat. Price didn't move tricky, cause look. The reason why I never have a like full confirmed bias are because of this. Look. Price a push up, you know. Price a push up. Price a push up. But after price a push up, wow, we start range, bro. And after we start range, I know we don't break out our range, bro. And we have some heavily bearish candle. You see me? Well, so look. Well, I'm draw this out. I know price not break out our range, chat. I know. And we have some heavily bearish candle. So it's like, yeah. Right now it's structure bullish. But right now, even though it's structure bullish, I can't say I'm bullish for a day. Because goal can print a top wick and then just fall back down and start break all I lose them. You see me chat? Obviously would fall down like this, but you get the point. So that's why I never have like a confirmed bias feed there. Cause today was kinda up and down, bro. But looking at the daily time frame, mood as overall bullish for the day. So I just put bullish and I put 70 right here so. Cause say chat, we make 35 pips. How would that? We make 35 pips chat and I have 2 entry. You see me, so I make 70 and after I put 70 right here so this right here so just this is just basically weekly total chat. So we up 70 pips for a week so far. So tomorrow, me done for the day. Tomorrow we are forward and fill out whether we win or we lose. We forward and we fill out the next piece in our journal. You see me? That is it. And when the week done, me like add one next piece for you see me? The journal that for the week. But that is it though chat. I go back on my trading view. Hopefully me not lag, hopefully today's stream now bug. Me didn't even pay attention to the chat, bro. Nobody not something. Me just have focus, bro. You see me? While me a stream and me didn't even remember say me a stream, brother. Just a focus on the chart. But yeah, bro, look at nobody even. Oh. Yeah, bro, but chat, that is it, bro. Me done for the day, dog. That was a decent trade. We done for the day, chat. I see you tomorrow, same time. You see me? Look, where we have if we have no folder forward out, tomorrow. This nothing major, chat. Nothing major now forward out. But probably still gonna be a good day, bro. You see me? Cause goal and move, dog. With news, whether we have news or not, goal move, bro. You see me? So we fall back tomorrow and just do the same thing, chat. That is it for right now. You see it? Yeah, chat. Me see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Just drop a like on your stream, and that is it, bro.